You know what? I used to think that the most dumbest and stinky species on this planet are the far right Hindutva ideology supporters and BJP supporters, the Hindu extremists. But I was wrong. Seriously, I was wrong. There is another species which is more poisonous and more dangerous than these Indians, far right Indians. And you know, and their species, they want a country 12 or 13,000 away from their country to come and bomb their childs. They wish to kill their child by another country, and these are called the clones, the Pahlavis. You know what? Pakistan bring the peace between Iran and US by mediation or by negotiation, whatever the reasons are, and they start attacking Pakistan by using some idiotic or fake narratives or fake news. Like Kashmir is the part of Pakistan, just want to provoke the Pakistanis. I don't understand. Like when it become a crime to bring a peace between a war. I don't understand. Pakistan just bring a peace, and they were asking to Indians, please attack Pakistan immediately. Are you serious? Even your fatherland, Israel, didn't have a courage to threat Pakistan. Seriously. And these Indians are doing this for last 80 years since Pakistan born, and they didn't even manage to occupy a single inch of Pakistan in 80 years. And you want them to be to attack on Pakistan just because we stop the war? Just we bring the peace in the region. How dumb you are, seriously. And the Hindu goons are celebrating on Twitter like, look, Persians are mocking Pakistan. You guys are not even on the same page. First be on the same point and then start campaigning against Pakistan. These far right BJP Hindutva stinky Hindus, they are asking that Pakistan didn't do any negotiation and Pakistan didn't bring any peace. And at the same time, those Pahlavi goons, they are asking that Pakistan bring the peace and attack on Pakistan. These 2 points are so beyond from each other, like 180 degree from each other. And please don't think like Pakistan is nothing like Indians. We are this most old civilization, more older than Persian civilization. Go and search about the Indus Valley civilization. We are the direct descendants. We are the child of the Indus Valley civilization. It doesn't matter we changed our religion, what we are today. We are the child of Indus Valley civilization. And a civilization can never bow down to anyone. Even your poor US can't bow down to Pakistan. We are the most old civilization, the Indus Valley civilization. And we're proud of this. And we defend our country, Pakistan, for last 80 years without any support, without anything. And it's just your frustration. You can't do this. But for Indians, go and give and bring your 800 million people out of the poverty who are surviving on 5 kg grains per month. And please bring some toilets to your country, to you stinky BJP supporters. The actual Indians are praising us. Even the whole world is praising us. Like, it's good. Like, if someone, even if India bring the peace in this war, it's very good. Because India was the most affected country by this war. And for Pahlavis, go and fix this pig's nose first, and then come back and attack on Pakistan on Twitter what you can do. So and listen carefully. The Iran is a Muslim country, and Pakistan is also a Muslim country, and both are the oldest civilization in this region. I'm very surprised. Like, the Pahlavis are attacking Pakistan on Twitter and spreading a fake narrative just because Pakistan negotiate between two countries and bring a peace. Or these guys are out of mind. The country, the US, the Israel, they were asking like, we bombed you, your civilization, we bring the hell out of you, and we kill your childs. They kill your girls, 180 girls. But still you want those most terrorist nations to attack on a sovereign country, and you are asking Indians to attack on Pakistan. They attacked last year. And please ask your Trump, your favorite president, what happened to the Vishwa Guru last May? Pakistan Zindabad, Persia Iran Zindabad.